Have a pleasant moment, everyone. Welcome to our newest program online, Moot and Academic. Okay, this is Teacher Noy, and you will be with me every day as we will be talking about very relevant issues and common topics that are just around the corner, but many of us do not know what are the implications to life. So this moment, we will be talking about eating canton. You did not hear me wrong. Eating canton. So the question, dear listeners, is it healthy or unhealthy to eat pancit canton? And if we are eating pancit canton, how often do we have to eat so that it will not become a health issue to everyone? Okay? Well, pancit canton is different from the preparations that we have, especially in the common noodles or instant noodles. Okay, because instant noodles are of course dried noodles that when submerged in water, okay, they have fluid with it, okay, we call sabaw, and then, okay, the seasoning are even immersed in water, and it becomes, what do you call this? It's not very concentrated. On the contrary, pancit canton is mixed without water, but with all the seasonings within it. Now, the question is, if you eat pancit canton Sunday, when will the pancit canton be consumed or be done in terms of digestion? Any guess? Many of you will say maybe 1 hour, or shall we say 3 hours, or the most at 1 day. Well, dear listeners, your guess is not even near the correct answer. If you eat pancit canton on Sunday, total digestion of this food will be consumed or will be done on Thursday. That means that is Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. It will take you 4 days to completely finish digesting a pancit canton. Why? Because pancit canton has a siliconized cover with it, okay? That when oil is contacted by it, okay, it becomes floating, it becomes a floating material. Now, what will happen if a canton is a floating material? So when we eat canton and then we drink water, the canton also floats with the water. When it floats with the water, okay, and our stomach begins digesting, after the stomach digests and you urinate, the canton will what? Settle again. Now, during lunchtime of that same day, you will drink water, canton will float with the water, the stomach will digest, after digestion, the canton will settle again. This will continue to happen as long as you are drinking water and the canton is floating in your digestive area. Now, that is why it takes the digestive system 3 to 4 days to consume or to completely digest pancit canton. Now, what will happen if pancit canton will not be digested in a period of 1 to 2 days? Well, just like the normal food in our kitchen, if they will not be eaten, okay, overnight, the next day, it will become spoiled already. And spoiled foods are always what? A very good attraction for bacteria. That's why when we eat pancit canton and then we drink water, they float, the stomach cannot consume, successfully end digestion and complete the digestion of that pancit canton. The tendency is that pancit canton will be rotten in our stomach, and then bacteria will attack the canton. And the sad thing about this is the bacteria will not also have knowledge if they are still attacking the canton or they are attacking already the digestive system of which the canton settled down. In the process, the bacteria will create holes, will create wounds, will create damages in the digestive system. We call this now as ulcer. So take note, okay? What will happen if you eat canton on a Sunday, then on a Monday, then on a Tuesday, on a Wednesday, that the Sunday pancit canton will still be consumed will be finished digesting or digested on a Thursday. Then there will be canton that are rotten inside your digestive system. That's why the suggestion is, if you eat pancit canton on a Sunday, do not eat pancit canton Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Your next pancit canton, if you really have to eat or if you really like to eat, will be on Thursday already. Now, remember always, the siliconized material attracted to oil that causes this pancit canton to float is the most dangerous thing that this food can give us. Why? Okay? I have been asking some people, what is the hardest thing to digest? And they will always answer me, maybe meat, okay? Or maybe beans. No, you digest beef in just one day. Why? Because it's not floating in the water inside your stomach. Whereas canton will always what? Float with water. At the end of digestion, it will settle back again. Now, to all the students who are dwelling with pancit canton every time they study at night, because they said we need something for the brain. That's why we need to eat canton so that we can continue studying. Well, there's food for your brain, but there is possible damages to your stomach because of ulcer. So, always remember, it will be moot and academic to eat and then have food for the brain, but you're destroying your stomach. Always remember, when there is a distraction, there is always a disease. Okay? So when there is a pancit canton and it will not be digested, there will always be ulcer. I hope you learned something from our sharing today. This is Teacher Noy. And why continue eating canton? Okay? If you can eat other foods like fruits and vegetables, do you still want to eat pancit canton? Now, the answer is as good as mine. It's moot and academic. Have a great day, everyone.